Got to change microphone. Nope, it's good. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Trading Bitcoin with your host, Tone Vays, coming to you live from an amazing place. We are at Burj Al Arab, the famous 7-star hotel. I don't like to dox people, but a shout out to a great fan of mine, actually sitting right here if you want to show your face, who is staying here for a night and got me over here in order to do this amazing stream. So I'm going to give you guys a little bit of scenery. Then we're going to take a look at the price of Bitcoin. There's the hotel. There is that helicopter pad / tennis court. And I'm hanging out by the pool. So go ahead and check out their pool. There it is, guys. The sun is setting. We're getting some drinks. You can see the sunset. And oh, I have, there we go. There we go. All right. So there you go. There is the amazing pool. So this is really, really cool. Everyone is jet skiing, people doing photo shoots. This is really awesome. So we're gonna go ahead and, yeah, we don't need that thing. You can take that. Yeah, you can take that. This will hold on to. All right. So there's the hotel. There's my ugly face, and we're gonna move on with the charts. All right. Oh wait, I have a mouse. Let me see the live stream. If anyone's been here before, I can't afford this place. You guys know that. But it's awesome to come and hang out. All right. So let's go to the charts. Let's see what's going on. I was all ready to celebrate 60K and then boom, no cigar. So let's go and take a look at the charts. I'm keeping this video short because I do want to hang out with my gracious host. So the weekly chart still looks absolutely amazing. We still have the green star candle. We are still consolidating at the top. We are coming off a beautiful hammer candle, even though it's not really the type of hammer to jump in on. It's still a hammer. It's just not taking place where you would expect a big market reversal. So yeah, someone's like, sell some Bitcoin, you'll afford it. Yeah, it's funny. Yeah, New York City bunker days are long gone. Well, not really. If I was still back in New York City, it would definitely be back in the bunker. But the apartment's up for sale, so there's no more bunker. So the weekly chart is still bullish, and today I believe is Wednesday, right? Never know what day it is. Yeah, today is Wednesday, and week's halfway done, still looking like a great candle. Let's go to the daily chart. The daily chart just updated for us. Wow, we bounced pretty nicely right off the moving average. So we're gonna take a look at what happened when we go to the lower level time frames. But once again, if you slept through the big drop in the last few hours or in the last 12 hours or so, if you just simply slept through that drop and you did not have an unreasonably leveraged trade to the long side, you were completely unaffected. Oh, shout out Jimmy G. Hey, buddy. Thanks for being in the live stream, man. So the daily chart still looks very, very bullish. We have 3 more days to go besides today before a potential MRI top on the daily. And this MRI top on a daily is not going to be anything like the last MRI top on a daily. What you guys have to understand in charting, and at least in my experience of trading, is that double tops are meant to be broken to the upside. So when we had the first MRI top at 62,000, I took that very, very seriously. If we get the second MRI top, I'm not going to take it as seriously, even though I didn't take this one all that seriously. Turned out to be worse than I expected, but we were ready for it. The next one should not even be this bad because the double top is meant to be broken. I will be even more confident in a 1-4 candle correction down no lower than the 20-period moving average and then new all-time highs. Let's take a quick peek at the funding rate. The funding rate is not good at all. So if we do get to that MRI top in 3 days, there could certainly be a 1-4 candle correction. The MACD is about to flip over. giving us more upside. I do not like the CMF. Let's go to the lower level charts because that's where the big disaster occurred. Here's the 4-hour chart. We had 2 rough candles. The MRI is still loading. I don't think the MRI would be very, very helpful. And so here's the MRI. That was a red, turned out to be a red star candle. And we already had a little bit of a warning. We already flipped on the MRI, the candle before. This consolidation would have looked bullish to me. This breakout would have certainly looked bullish to me. Someone mentioned the 12-hour chart, which would have been useful for those that trade the 12-hour chart. I believe that was an MRI top on the 12-hour chart. As you guys know, I do not like to cherry pick my time frames. There will always be a time frame that has an MRI top, but we don't want to cherry pick because that's just not fair. So therefore, while those that happen to trade the 12-hour MRI, if they find it useful, you were able to get out. Others, you had to rely on your stop loss. So I'm going to go back to my 4-hour chart and try to do a little analysis. We bounced nicely off the moving average. That is a true reversal hammer candle. We have now gone above that hammer candle. All we now need is 2 more candles, a green one and a green star, and we're back in business to the upside. How about the 1-hour chart? The markets are open right now, actually, so we should take a look at the traditional markets as well. Here's the 1-hour chart. If anybody was wondering what I'm drinking, this right here is the Jose Cuervo Family Reserva Extra Añejo tequila. I liked how it was priced on this menu. The price of this was actually less than the Casa Azul Reposado. And I believe this is a better tequila than the Casa Azul Reposado, the Jose Cuervo Family Reserva, because it's 2 grades of aging higher. Some will disagree with me, but this was the best price because there's a minimum spend here, and in order to come in and take a look at the pool. So that's the tequila of choice for the evening. All right. What the hell are those circles in a live chat? Anyway, doesn't matter. So the hourly chart was not very useful from an MRI perspective. We did touch and bounced right off the MRI support line with a beautiful hammer candle. Yes, it was a red star candle. And then we did go lower at a couple of closes. And now we just need a little bit more upside. Look, I can't explain this other than someone had a very large sell order set just before it hit 60. Professionals do that all the time. We came as close to 60,000 as we possibly could. This is just, you know, let's liquidate some of these unreasonable leveraged longs. And now we have the room to go to the upside because the stupid over leveraged longs were liquidated. I am very confident that new all-time high is coming very, 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 very soon. Quick peek at, well, GBTC is just consolidating because the price hasn't moved much from yesterday when it's all said and done. Gold, I'm going to wait. This still has a little bit of a bearish look to me. I'm not sure why gold's going down. I would have expected gold to be rising. S&P 500, new all-time high. So Bitcoin should be breaking new all-time high as well. That's kind of how I see the markets right now. All right, guys. I hope you watched the awesome stream yesterday about the understanding of the mempool. And I can tell you right now, looking at this, if I was to send a high priority Bitcoin transaction, keeping in mind that we have not had a block in 24 minutes, and we had 2 blocks in a row last time, but that did not clear the mempool. My high priority would be in the 80 sat per byte range. My medium priority would be in the 60 sat per byte range, and my low priority would be in the 25 to 30 sat per byte range. I would not go 72, but like I said, fee estimation is very, very difficult. I'm gonna post for a picture real quick. All right, that is it for me, guys. I don't want to spend too much time. Tone, cup and handle on the 4 hour. I don't know, maybe someone in the live chat is asking me about it. I gotta zoom out. Cup and handle on the 4-hour. Let me see. Not really. I'm not feeling the cup and handle on the 4-hour. No, it could be a nice head and shoulders inverse if we end up falling to a lower price of 55K. But other than that, I don't really see it. Sorry, guys. All right, I'm gonna cut the screen share. Tesla. All right, I'll look at one stock. I'll look at Tesla, and then we're done. Mostly because I'm curious. TSLA. Tesla. Ooh, MRI buy on Tesla weekly. Didn't know that was coming. And what about the daily? MRI buy on Tesla daily. Wow. Who was paying attention? If you were paying attention, you bought the Tesla right at the low. MRI weekly and daily. The daily MRI came on Tuesday. Tuesday of this week was a buy. And if you did, you're already up like 10%. Or like 8% on the price of Tesla. Amazing. Maybe I wish someone would have told me about Tesla on Monday. I'm sure you guys did, and I wasn't paying attention to your live stream. That is awesome. I mean, if you don't have the MRI, you don't really, I mean, if you don't need it, you don't need it, but that's absolutely incredible. All right, guys, I do need to go. I do want to enjoy a drink and chat with my friend. I'm going to give you one more peek at where I am. Ooh, let me get that cord there. Perfect. I am at Burj Al Arab, the 7-star resort here in Dubai. You can see their amazing pool. There's the sunset. It's going down. I didn't do the stream at the perfect time, but that's okay. Could have caught the sunset. There's the pool. People love jet skiing around this thing and enjoy the view. I may try to go up there. I think that's a lounge up there. Have one more drink before I head off for the evening. All right, guys, that's it for me. Thank you so much for watching, and see you all on the next one. Want to wave goodbye? Yeah. All right. Ooh. Bye, guys.